Hey guys, so I recently took part in a 60-minute jam hosted by Devlog Studios and made a game in an hour live on Twitch. As I received many comments asking how I made games and what my process was, I thought I'd upload the whole hour onto YouTube so that anyone interested can see how I made the game from start to finish. Bear in mind this game is a work in progress and will be updated once the rating period is over, but if you can't wait or you want to play the jam version of the game, it's on my itch page right now. So without any more delays, let's start the video. Alright, safe. Oh, cool. Alright, we already started. Okay, go away. Alright, so let's get started. Again, I'm a little bit sick, so you hear a load of like sniffing and coughing and whatever. Just ignore it. If it gets too much, just let me know. I'll lower down the volume on the mic. Check out my custom option. Cool, man. Do it, man. I mean, at the moment, nothing's paid. All of the hats and stuff are free. But like throughout the streams and stuff, you can play different games, earn money, and with that money, you can like buy other customizations. But yeah, have fun, man. Man, my time already started and Unity takes forever. You know what? Making a game in Unity in 60 minutes is not easy, right? Maybe I should have actually started it before putting the timer. Okay. All right, let's get started. So what do I need first? I need a game object. Call this a bubble. I already have an idea of what type of game I want to make. Reset the transform, add a script, call it bubble. Cool. All right, so I also need to add sprite renderer. Make it this knob for now. Can I actually see it? Yes, I can, but it's super tiny. Need to make that bigger. I can't be wasting too much time on this. Get into it. Okay, so for the bubble, I want it to basically fly up from the bottom of the screen. And form. So, translate. Vector 2 dot up. What do I want to do it by? Do it by make a variable speed, make it a float speed. So I want to multiply that by the speed and multiply that by time dot filter time, just so everyone has the same experience regardless of how old or new their device is. Cool. So speed I can set to 5F. So, does it float up? Yes, it does. Okay. So what do I need to do? Let's make a folder. Prefabs. Bubble in prefabs. Should also make a folder for scripts. If I don't manage to finish this within the time, don't blame me, man. Okay, so now I need another game object. Call this bubble spawner. Reset that. Let's move this guy down here. Yep. And then make a script. Bubble spawner. Go inside the folder. Yep. that. Bubble spawner. So first we need to add the prefab. So game object, bubble prefab. Okay, let's add that before we do anything else. Grab the prefab, put it onto the spawner, and back to the script. So now I need it to spawn every half second. So make a coroutine. No. Make a coroutine. I don't know. Spawn bubbles. And then what am I doing on here? Yield. And wait. 4 seconds. This spawn one every half second, maybe. Yeah. All right, and we will instantiate the bubble prefab at transform dot position and no rotation. Cool. So let's start the coroutine at the start. Bubble. Yep, let's see if that works before we. Oh, let's not do that. Let's make sure that's right. I struggled in construct that you build with fast, but yeah, man, I know, man. I'm gonna do my best though to do as much as I can. Okay, so it spawns and it runs, and that's fine. So now I need it to repeat. So while actually, you know what? Set up a bool. Bubble spawn active equals true, and then while bubble spawn active is equal to true, you will run this every half second until I tell you to switch off. Oh, now let's see if that works. Oh man, almost coming up to 10 minutes already. I haven't even done anything. Okay, so it's spawning every half second. That is fine. That's how I want it, but I don't want it all in the same position. So I'm gonna add some randomness. So let's make a float random x pos. So random x position, which equals random dot change. What is it? So this is 0, this is 9, and this is also 9. All right, let's just make it 9 and 9. What resolution am I making it? Wrong resolution. Okay, so let's aim for 720p. How's that? So where do I need to go to now? 8 and 8. Cool. So reset position. Random range will be between -8 and 8. That's a random x position. Now I need to make a vector 2 to pass in. So vector 2 spawn position. I don't know. Bubble spawn position maybe? Yeah. Bubble spawn position equals new vector 2, and then we will pass in the random x position and just the standard transform the position dot y. And because it's a vector 2, I don't need z, so that is that. So rather than spawning at the bubble spawner position, we will spawn at the random position. So bubble spawn position. Okay, so let's see if that works. Why is it spawning in the middle? Did I reset this? Why did I reset this? It should be down here. All right, let's try that again. Ooh, 10 minutes gone. Okay, it's a bit random, which is fine. That's what I want. So now I need a way to pop these bubbles. So go back into the bubble script. No, into the script. Come on, man. Open the script. I don't have time. There we go. Okay, so what do I need to do? On mouse, on mouse down. That'll do. Destroy game object. Cool. So get back into it. What do we need on the bubble? We need, and I want it to be a little bit bigger. So let's quickly do that. Yeah, that's a good size. Is that 12, 13? Is that too big? Alright, let's just keep it 12. Okay, so I need to add a circle collider. Circle collider is too big. Bring it down. Bring it down. Oh, that is good. Save that. Apply that to the prefab. Play that. Up, 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 up. Okay, so now I can kill these bubbles. So before we proceed, I need a way to lose the game. So let's make another game object, call it a lose slider. This guy can be up here. Reset the X position. Reset the Z position. I don't know why there's something there. Let's add a box collider to this. Let's stretch this out as far as I can go. Let's move this up a little bit more, just so the bubbles have to be out screen for us to lose. Cool. So now let's add lose collider script. Okay, so before we do that, it has to be a trigger. Bubble also has to be, well, it doesn't have to be, but it's better if it is trigger. And then now, do I need these? No, I'll use them when I need them. So on trigger enter. If the collision with the collider is equal to get component bubble. So if the collision object has a component which is bubble, debug.log you lose. Cool. Okay, so now we should have a losing state. So obviously nothing major is going to happen, but there'll be a piece of text in the console saying, you know, you lose when the condition's met. So if the bubble goes up, no, it doesn't. Okay, why is it doesn't? What did I do wrong? Box collider is there, trigger is there, bubble is there, bubble has that. Oh, why is it equals collision dot component? Try that again. Oh, still not working. Hey, Frozen Well, man, how's it going? Don't trigger enter. Should go into this, but it doesn't. But it doesn't. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna have to come back to that in a bit. I can't be wasting too much time here. So let's carry on with the score. No, actually, I don't know why I made that. I need to make a UI text. Where's my text? There we go. Make this camera. Move in the camera. Make it make it a reasonable size. Then we got text. This can be the score. I will call it score. Do I want a text though? Let's no, I need to import stuff. Okay, all right, so text mesh pro is done. All right, you know what? Score, you can go away. You can now be called score. And you will also be called score. Okay, so I need to import in some fonts. Here we go. I mean, you know, just letting you guys know, I did download the fonts and the piece of music beforehand, because mate, in the 1 hour there's no way I'm gonna be able to do that as well. Anyway, so let's make let's turn this font into something I can use. Generate font colors. Save it. Whatever, save it wherever you want. Damn, man, time is running out quick. Go. Let's make this, man, change. There we go. So score is score. Go there. Let's make this bigger. About that big, maybe. That's a lot too big. $100, $110, $110. Okay, so duplicate that. So this will be the score title. It's just called score, and this will be the actual score, which will be whatever the score is. Move this to the side. What about there? Yep, set to the left is fine. This one, again, set to the left is fine. This one doesn't really matter. This one needs a script. So call this and go away. Score. New script. So in here, in here, yes. Let's make a function. So make it public void add score. Let's make a variable which will just be a float types a float called score. So basically score equals score plus I want to manually edit, so let's make another float and call this, I don't know, add score. I got too many add scores. My naming is terrible, by the way. Don't judge me for my naming. Because add score So this sets the score, that's fine. And score is score, and that is no problem. And then at the beginning, score should equal 0. This won't make a difference anyway, but at least it's there. So now I literally need to set this to whatever the score is, and then update this. So when I add to the score, I also want to update the score. So let's add using Unity. No, not Unity. What am I doing? TextMesh Pro. TextMesh Pro. What is it? UGUI? I don't know. I can't even remember. Call it text. In the start, text equals get component TextMesh Pro UGUI. Fine. So at the start we set the score. That's fine. So now let's set the text. So text dot text equals score dot to string. So now it should be set to 0. That's fine. So also we want to update every time we add points. So no, man, stop pressing the wrong button. Text.text equals score.add to string. That's fine. That's done. That's done. So now we need a way to add points to it. So let's go back to the bubble script with the bubble. Bubbles. Yep. So every time we destroy this, we need to increment to the points. So let's add score equals find object of type score. Okay, so now I have access to the functions for score. So literally every time we destroy it, we're gonna find a function in the score script, which is add score. No, which is add score, and we want to increment 1 point each time it happens. So let's see if that works. So start it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes, it's working, sort of. The bubbles are going too far left though. But they're not going right enough. Okay, but it works. The function is there. Fine. What do I need to do now? I need to get this loose collider working. Yep. If collision, so I collide with that. Dot get component bubble. Why does it not work? Does it not work because we don't have any rigid bodies? That could be why. Let's add the rigid body to the. Let's make it static because it never moves. Let's give that another go. No, it's still not working. Why are you not working? Rigid body is there. It's a trigger. Box ID is there. And the bubbles. It triggers as well. Do I need to add a rigid body to this? I don't think so. Oh, maybe that was it. I just need to add rigid bodies to the bubbles as well. Anyway, it's working now. So let's make a real quick loose text, and then I'm gonna jump out of coding and start working on some arty stuff. So let's add in UI text. All this, I don't know. You lose, I guess. Let's update the... No, I'll do it that way. Where is it? Okay, that's why it's not the right. You lose with a space. Make the color white. Make it bigger than that, maybe. A little bit bigger. Is it even centered? No, it is. Okay, you lose. So let's duplicate that. Put the second one down. Let's make this in the middle. Should have made the top one in the middle as well. And let's drop this to try again. Maybe a little bit smaller. I don't know. The box is way too big for it, so let's reduce that. Reduce that. Put that in the middle. Cool. So you lose is fine. Try again needs a script because I need it, not again. Because I need it to basically restart the game. So what do I need to add? I need a level manager. Reset that. Add level manager. Oh, I'm almost halfway. Yeah, level manager. Fine. Open, please. Using Unity scene. No, using scene. Isn't it working? Unity. Why is it not working? I don't want to Google stuff, man. I don't have time. Alright, I'll have to Google it. I don't have a choice. Scene management, Unity, namespace. Unity engine don't sit. I typed that, man. What the hell, man? I typed it, man. Waste my time. Alright, anyway, so we can have a public void load scene. And then there should be scene manager the load scene. What is it even called? Sample scene. Sample scene. That is done. Load scene. Yes, fine. Is that attached? That's attached. Okay, so try again. We need to add. We need to add events. Let's add pointer click, and then when the pointer clicks, it will go to the scene. So let's see if that works. Oh, got the bubbles, got the bubbles, got the bubbles. Okay, try again. It restarts. Okay, cool. now I need to hide these. What do I need to make? You know what? Let's just add it to the loose glider, since it's all happening in the loose glider anyway. So the you lose and the try again. Let's make an empty. Call this lose one. How much time I got? 30 minutes. You lose, try again. I got loose glider. And then in here, let's add. Time goes quick. Yeah, it does. Game object, loose glider. Okay, I can do that. I can find that. That's fine. If you lose, okay, so I need to start. Lose glider. The active, make it false. And then when you lose the game, lose glider. The active is true. Okay, let's see if that works. And then I promise after that, we're going to be doing some arty stuff. I'm not going to leave it like this. Why is it not hidden? Oh, I know why it's not hidden, because I haven't added it. Game object, loose glider, add the loose glider, loose canvas. Okay, so that's hidden. I can rack up some points. Missile bubble, it goes up. Why did it not work? Why did it not work? If collision dot. Did I not apply this? No, I didn't apply this. Okay, so again. We lose, we lose. You lose, try again. Okay, but it needs to be in front. So let's make canvas. Let's put it in. Let's give it its own sorting layer. So grab the canvas, put it in the UI. So now it should always be in front. Pop, pop. Done. We lose, and it's always in front. Okay, time for a bit of arty stuff. How much time have I got left? Not a lot. File new. I don't know. 300 by 300 maybe? Is that too small? Pick the right tools, man. Too small. Canvas size, I don't know, make it 1000 by 1000. I don't care. Pixels. Those. Cool. Okay, so let's make that. Does that look okay? That looks okay to me. Let's grab a little corner, copy that, paste that. Did I even copy that? I can't. I need to. That's fine. Now let's copy that, paste that. Bring it in a bit. Let's clean this up a bit. It's a little bit smaller. And man, if I had time, I'd pull out the drawing tablet, but how's that? Possible? Maybe. Okay, so this is the bubble. Let's take that one. I need to color it in as well. Let's make another layer. Grab some paint. Get the largest brush I can. You got loads of time. Yeah, alright. 25 minutes, mate. You know what? I think I'll submit the game as whatever I get done in the hour. But I think once the jam is over, I'm not gonna leave this game alone. I'm gonna carry on working on it for a bit, just to get it to a standard. Otherwise, I'm just gonna delete it. I don't like to be associated with games I'm not proud of or games I'm not happy with. Anyway, so that's Bubble. What do you think? Looking okay? Let's do something special as well. Let's add another layer. Let's put it right at the top. Let's add some text. Let's pop. Pop with exclamation marks. Oh no, I'm on the wrong side. Did I move the exclamation mark to the end? I can't remember. No, that was definitely not it. I can't remember. Why are the exclamations at the beginning though? That's so stupid. Photoshop is nonsense. Do I do this? There. Fine. Done. Got the pop. Let's make it bigger. Not smaller. Bigger. How's that pop? What else do I need to do? Actually, that's too big. A little bit smaller. Let's turn this a bit. Like coding and stuff I can do in like reasonable time. RE stuff takes forever because I'm terrible at it. Let's that's fine. Let's duplicate this. Fine, duplicate, I don't care. Let's change this to this. I can't remember which one it was. It's this one. Okay, so let's color this white. How does that look? Is that the wrong way? Yeah, looking pretty good, looking pretty good. All right, let's grab a brush, grab another layer, a smaller brush, something that's the same width as this. Nope. Yep. Okay, so let's make some pop lines. Nope, it's wrong color. Nope, wrong again. Is that too good? Is that, you know what? I'm not happy with this one. Is that good enough? I think it's good enough. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Cool. Okay. Apply that. So let's hide those. File, save as. Make a PNG. Let's make bubble. I already have a bubble on this. Let's make a new folder. Call it bubble game. And call it bubble PNG. Done. And file, save as. This can be Pop. PNG. Save that. Done. Done. Let's grab the stuff. Where is it? Where did I save it? Is it here? Yeah, bubble game. Cool. So grab these two, chuck them in. Man, I don't even have time to look at the time, man. You guys are just gonna have to let me know when I'm getting close to the time. So bubble. What size is this? Is it gonna be too big? Yep. Okay, so let's bring this down. Not 1,000. 1,500 maybe. 20 minutes, cool. 2,000. Nope. 2,500. Is that right? No, it's still too big. Let's go 3,000. How's that? Still too big. 3,500. Perfect. Okay, 3,500 for that. 3,500 for this. Okay, so let's see what the game looks like with the new bubble art. Start this up. Bubble, 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 bubble. Still too far to the left though. Let's quickly change that. The spawner, it said it should be -8. Let's make it -7.5. Okay. How's that? How can you not? I didn't even do anything. Why are you not working? Oh, okay. Yep. Bubble, 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 bubble. Good. Okay. So I added the pop. Let's add in the pop, which should be that is fine. That is all fine. Let's add a script. Where's my script? There. So literally, what do I need to do? I need it to spawn, but then I need it to destroy. So destroy game object in 1 second, maybe? I don't know. I'll have to change that around. Okay, and I need to spawn it, but I need to spawn it when you pop it. So let's make a prefab out of this. Let's go into bubble, go into the script. Where's the script? So let's add in the pop. Game object pop. And then when you destroy it and you add the score, we need to instantiate pop at the identity. Good. Okay, so we spawn the pop. Let's add the pop. Where are you? Where are you? There you are. Okay, so let's grab the pop, chuck in the pop. Let's see how that. Let's apply this to the prefabs and let's see how it looks. Is there a pop in there? The pop's too small. Why is the pop so small? That's weird. Why is the pop so small? Anyway, let's make the pop a bit bigger. Come on. I swear it should have been the same size. Oh, that's too big now. How's that? Still too big. Let's say 300. They're gonna be too small. No, I think that's good. Let's apply that to the prefab. Oh, I don't need to. Pop and good. And let's test it out. 15 minutes. Good. Pop, 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 pop. Okay, it's lacking color. What color do you reckon I should make this? Blue? I was personally gonna go with like a brownie, like a Coca-Cola type thing, because I mean there's loads of bubble games out there, right? Before we do that, let's quickly make this a little bit nicer. Bit of lines there, bit of lines there, bit of lines there. How's that looking? Nice outline. Yep. What about in here? You lose. Oh, these are still text. Why are these still text? I don't want text. I want the text mesh pro. You lose. You lose. You lose. You lose. Copy the components. Paste the values. Let's change this to the right thing. Let's make this the same size. Yep. And then let's delete the old one. Same with this. I can literally just duplicate that. Let's copy these. I'm gonna run out of time. I don't know. I'm not looking at the time. I'm seriously gonna run out of time. Paste component values. Let's make this try again. Let's make this smaller. Yep. And then what does this have attached to it? It has an event trigger. So I need to do the same here. Pull this. Try again. Event trigger. Event trigger, add, point and click, level manager, and load scene. Delete that. Okay, so any responses on my role in life? A typing clock. Coca-Cola covers. Okay, so Coca-Cola, right? Let's start with the bubble, right? Let's go with what's a Coca-Cola? Hey, you know what? I actually downloaded an image that I'm gonna use as a reference. So let's grab the score, these, and make them. Oh, actually, yeah, and make them. I don't know, a lightish color. How's that? That's too yellow. A bit more orangey. No, that's the color I want from the bubble actually. So let's grab the bubble. Let's grab that color. Nice color for the bubble. Let's get a slightly lighter color for the text. Man, see, this is what takes the most time. Like tweaking and just getting it so that it looks nice. The old color again. Yeah, that'll have to do. So save that. Now I need to change the background color. Now this definitely has to be a very light color. So let's grab the bubble. And let's lower that and lower. How's that? So if I might need you again, so I'll leave you there for now. 10 minutes. Oh no, I needed to apply. Okay, so grab the bubble, apply the changes, grab the pop. Pop. Let's color this the same as the UI. And let's apply this. Delete that. Do I need a bubble anymore? Maybe. I might actually need the pop again. So keep that there for now. So, play the game. Pop. Ooh, the background clashes a lot. I need to make it lighter. How's that? How is that? Let's try that. The bubbles are too dark now. The pops stick around too long. Let's make them half a second. Hey, what deep man? How's it going? Yeah, it's I'm making the game. Taking ages, but I'm doing it. Or maybe the background should be dark and the bubble should be lighter. Let's try that. I'm wasting too much time coloring stuff and messing around with stuff. Let's make that color. Let's make the bubble lighter. Does that make a difference? 8 minutes. How's that? Cool. All right, we're gonna stick with that for now. So let's get some polishing done. Let's grab. Again, I already downloaded these beforehand because I knew I was not gonna have time to do it. All the art and stuff I made in front of you guys, so I'm not cheating here. Let's add. Where's the popcorn? Here's the pop. Let's go into the script. Let's add. Serialize field. Audio clip. Pop. And then when at the start, it should be. Actually, I don't need to do that. Why am I doing that? Get rid of that. Go away. Let's just add it because it only hangs around for half a second. So why do I even need to script it? I could just add it. So audio source. Add in the pop. Play on awake. No loop. Let's apply that. Why did I delete it? Doesn't matter. Can you hear that? Okay. Now for the music. I do want I don't want the music to restart each time. I want it to keep playing. So let's add audio source. Let's add. I'm streaming, damn it, I don't have time. Okay, so the music's good. Now I just need to add a script. Call it. Why did I add a script called script? What am I doing? Music player script. And I need this to be a singleton so it stays throughout. So let's make it a static music player instance. And let's call an await function. If instance equal to null, game object, or this not the game object. This equals instance equals this, and then do not destroy on load. Else destroy. Come on. Game object. Five minutes, 3 minutes. All right, let's see. So game runs, I lose, but when I try again, the music continues. Okay, I do want this to get harder, so what am I incrementing? Bubbles? No, not bubbles. Spawn manager. So while bubbles are he does this and this and this. Let's do time scale equals time scale plus 0.01 f. Two minutes. You know what? I'm gonna turn the music off. All right, let's test this out. So what I just added there, like the bubbles should start speeding up. Like the spawn rate should start speeding up. The bubbles themselves will start speeding up. Oh, but it doesn't reset. It needs to reset. Let's go to the level manager. When I load the level, I will put time scale equals 1. Done. So now it should reset. 1 minute to go. What do I need to add? I definitely need to get rid of this bubble though. Actually, you know what? Do I have time? So the animator, let's add a controller. Let's make this, I don't know, bubble. Let's add. Where did they go? There. So I need an animation window. Okay, so let's grab the bubble. Let's create a clip. I don't care. Just idle. 26 seconds. Let's add rotation. Let's say I don't know, every 20 seconds and then 40 seconds. So this, we can record this and no, we're out of time. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna save this up. So let's see what the game finally looks like. I need to apply this. 1 second. Is that it? That is it, I think. You want to have a quick, should we do like a quick play of it? I think if I had time, with the rate of the bubbles spawning, I'd also increase the pitch of the music just to make it harder. But what do you think? Game in an hour. Oh no. The bubbles go on forever. That's gonna break my game. That is gonna break the game. Can I just do one thing that'll stop the game breaking? Even though I'm done with the 60 seconds. Like, to be honest, when we started, I started at 58. So I still got 2 minutes. I still have 2 minutes. So destroy collision dot game object. No, legitly, right? I was having major issues with the timer and I couldn't get it to work, but then I got it to work and it started at 58. So technically, I mean, this more than likely this video is going to go out on YouTube as well. So you guys can check it. That's proof. So that was a very brief but stressful glimpse into my game making process. Let me know if you enjoyed this video or not in the comments. And if you've made it this far in the video and you haven't already, please subscribe. Cheers guys, and I'll catch you in the next video.